everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. We just got back from the gym and we're currently just having a little breakfast. I got some turkey bacon, sourdough bread, eggs, some raspberries, and I also have some maple syrup for my turkey bacon. I don't know if that's a Canadian thing, but I really love maple syrup on like bacon or sausage in the morning. So also having a little coffee. 2 days left of work before Christmas break, so love that. And I also have another batch filming day today, so I'm gonna be really busy. Let's get to it. All right, it is partway through the day and I'm just stopping for a little lunch break. I'm having a turkey burger with some little peppers on the side. I just spent most of the morning doing all of the editing from yesterday, or more of it. So I actually haven't started batch filming yet, so batch filming is happening after lunch. So I'm kind of happy though, because normally I do it in the morning and then around like 11 o'clock I get so hungry. And I don't know if you guys have ever tried to film content when you're hungry, but it just doesn't work. So I'm happy that I'm gonna get like a nice big lunch and then I'm gonna film. So maybe this might work out better for a new schedule going forward. I'll keep you guys updated. Anyways, I'm gonna chow down. All right, just finished up lunch and now I'm about to film. This is the setup today. Yeah, let's get to it. All right, you guys, Jordan just went and picked us up a little coffee from Java Moose, and he got me an iced coffee, and look at this. It came in like this can. They like sealed it on the spot. So this is really cool, and I've never seen this done, and this honestly looks so yummy. Right, I am all done batch filming for today. So I'm pretty much done work, but I'm just gonna go run an errand and then come back and finish up for the day. So let's just do a quick OOTD because my outfit's kind of cute. I just have my little Shein puff on, my Adidas pouch, and then my Aritzia wide leg sweats, and I'm gonna be wearing my UGG boots with it. Yeah, really casual, but it's cute. And you know what? If I can get away with wearing sweatpants for a film day, I do it because you gotta be comfy. All right, I am back from my errands. I got 1 out of 2 done. I was in at Walmart trying to find an external hard drive because I'm having issues with my storage on my computer, and I really want to keep Vlogmas up, but yesterday I was editing Vlogmas Day 2 and my laptop wouldn't let me do anything because it's completely out of storage. The issue is like Final Cut Pro is taking up all of the storage, so I go to Best Buy tonight because I really want to get Vlogmas Day 2 up day and like keep going. Pray I can get one. Also, I am just gonna get back to work and finish up my day. So, talk to you guys in a bit. Okay, we've had a really fun evening. Once we were done work, we headed straight to the salon and I got a manicure and pedicure and Jordan got a pedicure. And after that we came home, we had fettuccine alfredo, and then we were just visiting with our friend Thomas. That was so super fun, and honestly it feels like Christmas. So just loving that. And I am gonna go try to finish Vlogmas Day 2 and upload that. But I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day